Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create modern product banners using tracking adjustments in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas suitable for a product banner. First I type the main product title using a bold sans serif font. Then I highlight the text and gradually adjust tracking to space letters evenly. After that I duplicate the text layer and test tighter tracking for a compact style. Now I add layer styles like subtle shadow or bevel to enhance visual depth. Next I check alignment with other banner elements using smart guides. Then I refine tracking gradually for readability and balance. After this, I combine tracking with kerning tweaks to perfect the letter spacing. Now I zoom out to see the overall banner composition.